In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share listen on Spotify. By the end, you will be able to share a specific song and also let friends see what you are listening to in real time. First, open Spotify. On a phone, tap the green Spotify icon and wait for the app to load. On a computer, open the Spotify desktop app from your applications or start menu. You should see the familiar dark background with the home tab and your playlists visible. Now, play or find the song you want to share. You can tap a song from your home screen, search for it using the search tab, or pick it from one of your playlists. Once you tap the track, it will start playing and appear in the player at the bottom on mobile or at the bottom bar on desktop. A quick tip here, make sure you select the exact version you want, since remixes and live versions often have different share links. Once that song is ready, open the three-dot menu. On mobile, this is usually next to the track title or in the player screen near the top. On desktop, you can right-click the song title or click the three dots next to it. When you do this correctly, a menu will slide up on mobile or pop up beside the song on desktop, showing several options like Add to Playlist, Go to Album, and more. From that menu, select Share. On most phones, you will see Share in the middle area of the list, with an icon beside it. On desktop, Share appears in the right-click menu with a small arrow. Once you tap or click Share, Spotify opens a new panel with several share options. Next, choose where you want to share it, such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or another app available on your device. On mobile, you will see icons for your chat and social apps, and you can tap any one to create a new message with the song link already filled in. On a computer, you might see options like copying a link or sharing directly to certain platforms supported there. After you pick an app and send, your friends will receive a clickable Spotify link to that track. If you prefer more control, you can also choose Copy Link to send the Spotify link yourself. In the Share panel, tap Copy Link and Spotify copies the track link to your clipboard without any extra message. You will not see a big pop-up, but you might see a brief copied confirmation near the bottom. You can then paste that link into an email, a chat, a document, or anywhere else you like. Beginners often forget this step and try to share from the wrong app, but once the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere that accepts text. Now let friends see what you are listening to over time, using listening activity on Android and iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top corner of the Spotify app. This opens your profile page where you can see your name, your followers, and your public playlists. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. The settings screen has different sections such as Account, Playback, and Privacy. You are looking for the area that controls how your listening is shared with others. Next up, tap Privacy and Social. When this opens, you will see several options related to sharing, like session settings and activity visibility. This is where Spotify lets you manage what friends can see. Here, turn listening activity on. Tap the switch next to listening activity so it changes color and moves to the on position. Once you do this, Spotify starts showing your current and recent tracks to friends on features that use your activity without needing to restart the app. If you turn it off again later, new listening will stop appearing for them. Finally, you can also choose Who Can See Your Activity to control who can see what you are playing. Tap this option and pick the visibility level that matches your comfort, such as allowing all followers or limiting it more tightly. When you confirm, that setting updates right away, so only the people you select can view what you listen to going forward. You have just learned how to share a single song and how to let friends see your Spotify listening activity. If this helped you share your music, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Spotify guides.